welcome to Keto Meals. If you like food recipes, consider subscribing. All right, let's get into it. So this is almond waffles with homemade whipped cream. So you're going to start with 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You're going to need, I like to use 2 tablespoons of this caramel pecan. It's any kind of sugar-free sweetener, 1 cup of half and half, and 1 egg. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're going to mix all this together. It kind of makes a little wet batter. But as soon as you put in the waffle maker, it comes out great. I got this little mini waffle maker. It works great. Got it at Target for $10. Kind of retro looking. Alrighty, so this is 2 tablespoons of butter with a couple handfuls of sliced almonds. We're going to put this a couple of minutes until they start getting brown. Now they'll go from brown to burnt real fast, so be careful. Alright, I slide them to the cold part of the stove so they'll stop cooking. Now it's for the whipped cream part. So this is 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of that skinny pecan caramel flavoring. Now this is an ice cold bowl that I had in the freezer, and the heavy cream is really cold itself. So just use a hand mixer until it just starts forming whipped cream. I have the bowl to the side. I like to do this in the sink because I make a big mess. I like to hold the bowl so where the whipped cream just keeps on flowing back down into the mixer. And it doesn't take long for this to just turn into whipped cream. You can do this by hand, but this is way faster using this hand mixer. So you want to do the whipped cream last, after the waffles are made, after your almonds are ready, because the whipped cream doesn't last as long as like store-bought whipped cream. See it getting thicker right there? It's time to go. Let's build these. So you start with the bottom waffle, add some of your whipped cream there, kind of making like a little waffle ice cream sandwich kind of thing. These are delicious. Now add a little bit of your almonds. Next layer. Now the recipes for this will be in the description. A little more whipped cream. That wasn't nothing. Some more of the sliced almonds, and we're going to pour some of that almond butter right on top of that bad boy. Now if I wasn't doing keto, this is what I'd be breaking out the log cabin and putting syrup all over it. Ooh, and I got a little piece of bacon for you to finish it off, add a little saltiness to it. Now if you like these videos, like I said, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace out.